Hare Krishna. Okay, so I'll just do one small prayer and then I will start. Okay. Om Ajnanatirmirandasya Gnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Mena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobhistam Sthapitam Mena Bhutale Ramanam Dati Swapadanti Vandeham Shri Guru Kamalam Shri Vaishnavamsha Srimate Jayapataka Swami Acharya Okay, so Aditya also joined with us. You can give attendance in chat, Aditya. कितना round chanting करते हैं आपके नाम के साथ? So I will tell you one very historical pastime, a real pastime which happened. So are you all excited to hear something very interesting, something very important? Okay, so generally, right, we have five hearing senses. Sorry, we have five working senses and five knowledge acquiring senses जिसे बोलते हैं ज्ञानेंद्रिय और कर्मेंद्रिय. ठीक है. So can anyone say what are the knowledge acquiring senses in our body quickly? What are the senses through which we acquire knowledge in our body? Yes, Shovik, Sharad, Sanjeet, Rahul, Iti. I have told you many times I think this thing before also. Okay, Shovik is saying eyes, ears, nose. Okay, yes, tongue, taste. So all these are our knowledge acquiring senses. By this we get knowledge. Everything we what you say we perceive the things in our surrounding and our mind it captures everything. These are knowledge acquiring senses. And then we have another five senses called as working senses, karmendriya. So these are generally our digestive system which works our legs, our hands, all these things. Okay. So out of all these senses, right, ear is the most important sense. In the scriptures is written, even Prabhupada says that ear is the most important sense and there is one more sense which is most difficult to control. Can anyone guess what is that one? Most difficult to control.
Mind.
Okay, mind is like the mother of all the senses. That is, I'm saying among these senses, the tongue is the most difficult to control. तो खाने के लिए आदमी क्या क्या कर सकता है वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंट्रोल टंग व्हाट वी हैव टू स्पीक व्हाट वी हैव टू ईट these things are very means difficult to control if our mind is not controlled that is obviously there so but out of this ear is the most important one okay as Sanjay is saying all five difficult to control okay if mind is not controlled then everything goes like that only ठीक है बट what is said over here is that हमारा कान जो है right 2 years these are most important because through years only we get knowledge about ourselves हम कौन है who is the supreme personality of Godhead श्री कृष्णा कौन है what is the reality so गरुड़ पुराण में ये बात बोला गया है कि a person in this material world is in a state of sleeping as though he is bitten by a snake called Maya okay इस मेटेरियल वर्ल्ड का आदमी ही इज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ ड्रीमिंग ख्यालों की दुनिया में है इन अ स्टेट ऑफ स्लीपिंग जब सांप किसी को काटता है सो दैट पर्सन हाउ इज बिकम अनकॉन्शियस लाइक दैट इन अ ड्रीम स्टेट एंड दैट ड्रीम स्टेट का सांप जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज माया सो नाउ जनरली हम लोग सब सुबह उठते राइट सो व्हाट इज द इजीएस्ट वे टू गेट अप हाउ डू यू गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग यस कैसे उठते हैं आप लोग सुबह बाय अलार्म यस ऑब्वियसली so what is this alarm alarm is nothing but it is sound okay so sound is the only thing which can wake you up sound other things are also there कोई आपको आके टच करेगा बार बार हिलाएगा उठ जाओ कोई anything is there all the senses have ability to close but except the ear so most easiest way to wake up is by sound okay similarly the only way to wake our sleeping soul is transcendental sound that is very important. Transcendental sound. What is the transcendental sound? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the transcendental sound by which we can wake up our soul. तो प्रभुपाद जी एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सॉन्ग लिखे थे उसका जी बोलते हैं जीव जागो गौर चांद बोले, कोटा निद्रा जाओ माया पिसाची रकोले. So what is this meaning of this is that you are sleeping on the lap of Maya, completely forgotten who you are. We are just sleeping. हम लोग को बहुत लोग को पता ही नहीं कि who we are. We are just sleeping on the lap of Maya. So when you hear some transcendental sound by chanting Hare Krishna, or when you are coming to the Sunday sessions and you are hearing Bhagavad Gita, the transcendental sound, and hearing the slokas, although it might be difficult for you to speak, but you're at least hearing that. Even that will help to wake up your soul, the sleeping soul. You're sleeping on the lap of Maya. Okay. So what happens when the soul wakes up? What actually happens? The soul wakes up to reality, to knowledge, and knowledge is heard and understood. Okay. So we have to there was an interview of all the great important CEOs around the world. Steve Jobs was there, then our Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, all these all these top most of the top companies CEOs are Indians only. So one question was to Satya Nadella that when you have to take some decisions, some hard ground decisions in the meetings you go, so many meetings you do. So what do you do in the meetings? So what Satya Nadella said in the interview is that what I do is I just hear, I just hear what others are speaking. I hear maximum time and I speak less. Okay, hear more, speak less, and be decisive. What is this sutra I was saying. Okay, that is very important. That's same thing is told in the scriptures also. That don't speak uselessly unless it is required. Hear more, understand, and only when it's required you have to speak. That is why it is said here the tongue is most difficult to control because nowadays everybody is doing gossiping. ये वो चीजें बोलते रहते nonsense things. All these things are happening nowadays, right? So hearing is important, but hearing right thing is more important. हम लोग क्या सुन रहे हैं actually? That matters most. What subject matter we are hearing? That is more important. Otherwise, again we'll go to sleep. Okay, if you hear some wrong stuff, it will again put you back to the sleep. And Maya ये तो कर रही है. It is letting us hear something wrong. Okay, something like that, which will again put us back to sleep. That is very wrong. That is the material sound vibration. So when you hear this, what transcendental sound vibration, like chanting or reading and hearing Bhagavad Gita, when you that's why it is said when you chant, you should not chant in your mind. You should chant at least in a tone that at least you can hear your voice. Chant and hear the sound vibration. It will wake your soul up. If you're reading Bhagavad Gita, don't just read in your mind. At least read in such a volume that at least you can hear. Doesn't matter anybody else hears or not, but at least you can hear the shlokas what you're reading, the purports, translation what you're reading. At least you can hear these things. Or when you're hearing the classes on Bhagavad Gita, that is very important. So this will wake you up. And then you will be asking this questions that who am I? Why I am I suffering? What am I suffering from? Who is God? भगवान कौन है? इतना सब प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों आ रहा है लाइफ में? इसका रूट कॉज क्या है? मुझे कहाँ जाना चाहिए? All these are the questions one person asks when he actually wakes up. Okay, but we like to use our ears to listen music. गाने सुनते हैं, some passionate music, some rock music, getting lost in the music बोलते हैं. Let's hear the music getting lost into it. कहीं बस में जा रहे हैं, हेडफोन्स लगाया है. लोग जॉगिंग कर रहे हैं, हेडफोन्स लगाया है. ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं, हेडफोन्स लगाया है. Everywhere, everybody wants to hear something nice. But more than that, people want to hear about themselves. My name is so much sweet to me. People think like that. The material people, they think that मेरा नाम ही मेरे लिए सबसे प्यारा है. If someone by mistake says his name somewhere, oh मेरे मेरे बारे में बोला, मेरे बारे में बोला, क्या बोला मेरे बारे में? He wants to hear that, especially the politicians. They're hungry to hear their name. Very hungry. If someone goes on the stage and glorifies them, they are very happy that someone is saying about something about me. This is what is the situation of current world. How Maya is very tactfully, how means कैसे trap करके आपको फिर सुला रही है. That is what Maya is very expert at. There are so many things in the world we can hear, we can read, we can understand. But the problem is what is actually happening to us when we hear the sound vibration that is transcendental, and what is actually happening to us when we hear the sound that is material. There was a research, okay, one Japanese scientist. You all are there with me, right? Everyone, are you hearing what I'm saying? Yes, no?
Yes, we are listening.
Okay, listening. Okay, very nice. Aditya, Diksha, Iti, Milan. Okay, Milan is there. Rahul, Sanjeet. Okay, there was a Japanese scientist. Okay, तो इस scientist ने एक research किया. So what the Japanese scientist did, he took a glass of water and he kept it into surveillance, observing the molecules of water, the structure of water, what pattern it forms. So this were his observations in the experiment and his research. So what he did, then he played some very sattvic music, music in the mode of goodness, very calm, peaceful music. Then he started speaking something very nice, very soothing, something very good. Okay, and then at the same time he was observing the patterns, and he saw that the water molecules, they are forming a very nice pattern. They're rearranging themselves in a good pattern. Now what he did? Now he completely did something 180-degree opposite. He started some very rock music play करना start कर दिया. Something very lusty he is speaking, something angry, something very envious things he is speaking. Means कुछ बहुत ही passionate music play करने लगा. And by looking at that, there was a disturbance in the structure of the pattern which was formed. So water molecules started forming the structure which is very disturbing, not that much good. So what he wanted to prove from this research is that the sound vibration has an effect on water. See, sound vibration has an effect on water. That how water forms good patterns, wonderful patterns, and in when the sound is good, and how it rearranges itself in a disturbing pattern when the sound is bad. And what is the most important thing is that our body consists of 70% of water. Our mind consists of so much water. So now you see, even the material sound is having so much effect on us. So what to speak about spiritual sound? What to speak about transcendental sound? So when we hear the only thing which is very useful to us, only thing when we fill our ear with the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, or chanting Hare Krishna, or reading Bhagavad Gita, getting knowledge about the absolute truth. This is the secret to gradually wake up the sleeping soul. This is the most important secret. इसके लिए हम हिस्ट्री में भी देखते हैं, there are so many people who have given advice to hearing is very important. Many historians have given the advice. There comes an ancient story, a very important story. I think some of you know this before and some of you don't know. ये school days में मैंने पढ़ा था story. Do you all want to hear the exciting story? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, we want to hear.
hear very attentively. You have to answer some questions at the end. I will also try to check your understanding. ठीक है. तो ये विक्रम बेताल की जो कहानियां हम लोग बचपन में सुनते थे, राइट? So this is one of that. There was a great king called Vikramaditya in South India. I don't know whether you have heard about him or not, but he was a very good king, very wise, very intelligent person, and he was ruling his subjects very nicely in his kingdom. सो एक बार क्या हुआ, वो अपने राज दरबार में बैठे थे, यहाँ पर राज दरबार में बैठे हैं वहाँ पर, और सब पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज सब डिस्कस हो रहा है. तो उसके बीचों बीच ना, वन वेरी डेडली लुकिंग, वन राक्षस, वन डीमन केम इनटू हिज राजसभा. वेरी डेडली लुकिंग, बहुत ही एकदम मतलब भयानक लुकने में, दिखने में, और उसका उसके गले में क्या था? स्कल्स का हार था. स्कल, स्कल यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? स्कल मीन्स द, क्या बोलते, खोपड़ी, जो डेड लोग की जो खोपड़ी रहती है, दैट स्कल. स्कल्स का हार था, हाथ में कुछ स्कल्स थे. द ब्लड वाज ओजिंग आउट, ड्रिपिंग फ्रॉम दैट वेरी बैड स्मेल, एंड वेरी ह्यूज ह्यूज राक्षसा. ही केम इन दी सभा, बीच सभा के बीचों बीच आ गया, एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज स्टन्ड. सब मंत्री लोग जो थे, राजा, सब लोग एकदम हैरान हुए कि हाउ डिड दैट राक्षस कम इन. हमारा राज्य इतना बड़ा है, इतना आर्मी है, इतना मैन पावर है, इतना वेपन्स है हमारे पास. हाउ डिड ही डिफीट एवरीवन एंड कम इनसाइड? एवरीबॉडी वाज एस्टोनिश्ड. फिर इस राक्षस ने क्या किया? ही टुक सम स्कल्स फ्रॉम हिज नेक, वो हार निकाला, and he just threw that skulls towards the king. So it all started rolling and it hit the what is Singhasan of the king. And king was astonished. ये क्या किया इसने? And then he asked one question to him. तो उसने क्या बोला कि मैंने कुछ स्कल्स आपकी तरफ फेंके हैं. ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी आउट ऑफ दिस स्कल्स विच इज द बेस्ट स्कल. सबसे बढ़िया स्कल कौन सा है? ये मुझे आंसर चाहिए. और क्योंकि आप बहुत ही अच्छे राजा हैं, यू आर अ वाइस किंग, सो आई विल गिव वन डे टाइम. मैं कल फिर से इसी समय आऊंगा. एंड इफ आई डोंट गेट द आंसर, देन आपके राज्यसभा में जितने लोग हैं, जितने मंत्री है, इंक्लूडिंग यू द किंग, आई विल किल यू ऑल एंड दिस स्कल, नेक्स्ट पीस ऑफ स्कल्स विल बी योर स्कल्स. ये बोल के वहां से ही वेंट अवे. And he was a Mayavi Rakshas, so if he flew away actually. That's why nobody was able to, the army wasn't able to means catch him. So everybody, राजा तो बहुत घबरा गया. अरे how can we do that? How can I see which is the best? कल कल उठा के देखता रहा, क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या है. तो उसने अपने इम्पोर्टेंट चार मंत्रियों को बुलाया और बोला कि देखिए, वी हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर, डू सम ट्रबल शूटिंग, समथिंग ब्रेन स्ट्रोमिंग करो एंड यू फाइंड द आंसर फॉर दिस, अदरवाइज यू ऑल आर डेड मैन टुमारो. तो सब लोग अभी आंसर ढूंढने लगे, सोचने लगे क्या है क्या नहीं. और उसमें से एक वन पर्सन वॉज देयर, वन मंत्री वॉज देयर, वॉज वेरी लिटिल बिट शॉर्ट इन हाइट. ही हैड अ स्माइल ऑन हिज फेस. ओके. एंड एवरीवन, देन राजा ने बोला, टुमारो मॉर्निंग एवरी वन ऑफ यू कम एंड यू गिव मी द आंसर, क्या हुआ करके. तो राजा भी स्कल लेके गया, सब स्कल्स लेके अपने बेडरूम में गया, अपने बेड पे रखा और देख रहा है कौन सा स्कल अच्छा है क्या है. कुछ समझ में आया, एवरीबडी लुकिंग अलाइक ओनली. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. नेक्स्ट अगला दिन हो गया, रात भर राजा सोया नहीं. इनफैक्ट उस पूरा क्या बोलते हैं टेरिटरी में नो बडी स्लेप्ट एट द एंटायर नाइट. एवरीबडी सर्चिंग फॉर द आंसर, व्हाट विच इज द बेस्ट स्कल, विच इज द बेस्ट स्कल. देन मॉर्निंग, सुबह हो गया. अब सब मंत्री लोग आंसर्स दे रहे हैं, बट ऑल आर डिससेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर. द किंग इज नॉट गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड कि ये रीजन हो सकता है, वो रीजन हो सकता है. नो, नो आंसर गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड. यू ऑल आर देयर विद मी, राइट? आदित्य, दीक्षा, इति, मिलन, hearing the story? Yes.
Yes, bhai, we are listening, bhai.
Okay. So then no answer is coming. Then the short mantri, he came little late. Okay. And by that, before he spoke the answer to the king, the Rakshasa came back. He flew and he boom, he came in the Raj Sabha again. And he is saying now to the king, now give me the answer. Which is the best skull among these skulls? Give me the answer. सो राजा हैरान हो गया, मैं आंसर तो है नहीं, क्या करेंगे, आज तो लगता है हम लोग मरने वाले हैं बाप. तो राजा बहुत ही हैरान हो गया. नाउ देन he looked at the another मंत्री who had a smile on his face yesterday night, means the previous day. So then that मंत्री started speaking. So वो मंत्री ने क्या बोला कि राजा, जब आप कुछ चीज बोलते हैं, when you say something to your प्रजा, प्रजा को आप कुछ बोलते हैं, कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं, then different instructions have different effect on different people. Okay. So what you do now, आप एक स्कल उठाइए और एक स्टिक लीजिए, ठीक है, और वो स्कल के एक कान से स्टिक को घुसाइए और देखिए अगर वो स्टिक दूसरे कान से निकलता है, then it is a useless skull. अब बस you just throw it away. Then you take another skull. Now you take the stick and you put it in the ear, and if the stick comes out from the mouth, then it is little good quality skull. So you can keep it aside. Then you take another skull. एक और skull उठाइए, उसके कान से एक stick घुसाइए. If that stick directly goes inside, not coming out from here, not coming out from the mouth, but going inside, then that's the best quality skull. That is the best skull. तो जैसे आंसर जैसे इन्होंने बोला, तो द राक्षस ही जस्ट लेफ्ट अवे फ्रॉम देयर, पलट के चल के फिर से चला गया वहां से. सब लोग हैरान हो गए, क्या बोला है ये, स्टिक कान से घुसा, मुंह से निकालो, क्या क्या चल रहा है. नोबडी अंडरस्टूड एनीथिंग. सो एनी गेस यू वांट टू टेक, दोज हु हैव नॉट हर्ड दिस बिफोर. ओके, आई नो कपल ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड दिस बिफोर. दोज हु हैव नॉट हर्ड दिस बिफोर, एनी गेस यू वांट टू टेक, what was the mantri trying to speak over there? Yes. Iti, Diksha, Rahul, Milan, Sharad, Shovik. Any guess? You want to take? क्या बोल रहा था यहाँ से? You can unmute and speak. It will be quick. Yes. Any answers? Any guess? He found out the best skull. Okay. Best skull उसको मिल गया. So Shovik is saying what we hear from others, we keep it within. Okay. Okay. Let me say. So what? Then the king asked the same question to him. कि what did you say that the demon went away? तो उसने बोला कि देखिए राजा, when you give some instructions to your praja, okay, so those people in the kingdom who hear your instruction and then just remove it, they forget it, remove from the another ear, they are useless citizens. They are of no use. Okay. Then comes the second category who hear your instructions and they repeat it again. They speak it to others. That is little bit maybe you can say good quality, not very better or best, but little bit good quality. But the best quality is those who hear our instructions and they first digest it, they take it inside, they digest it, they realize it, they understand it, analyze it, and then they speak it out. So they are the best ones. Okay. That is what is the most important thing. That is what Srila Prabhupada did. शिला प्रभुपाद के गुरु ने उनको एक ही इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था, मतलब कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था लाइफ में, और दैट वन इम्पॉसिबल इंस्ट्रक्शन ही गेव कि व्हेन ही वाज वेरी यंग, जस्ट मैरिड एंड वेरी यंग, ही टोल्ड दैट you are a young man, you are a young man and you know English very well, so what you can do is you can start giving this message of Bhagavad Gita to the English speaking people. उनको ही बोला था इंस्ट्रक्शंस, और प्रभुपाद का गॉड ब्रदर्स को भी इंस्ट्रक्शन बोला था. But what Prabhupada did, he heard the instruction, he first took it inside, he worked it out on himself, he realized the knowledge, and then he went to America and he started speaking this knowledge to the English people, and then they were able to understand it. So this is the power, this is the best quality skill. So decision is up to you. आपको क्या होना है? You want to be the worst quality skill or you want to be the best quality skill? Is up to you. So whatever you're hearing, that is what I was trying to explain you today. That don't hear rubbish, don't hear nonsense. If anyway it goes in from here also, remove it out. But something is very important, transcendental sound vibration, that you have to hear and you have to take it inside. And that will only wake up your soul. When it goes, sound will go over here, it will wake up your soul. That is why we are requesting you to chant every day regularly. अब भगवान का नाम का जप करो. You hear Bhagavad Gita पढ़ो. It is very important, especially in this youth age. अगर अभी अभी से practice नहीं किया, then life will be very terrible afterwards. Same thing what others are doing, suffering. So let us be something out of box, something extraordinary. If you want to be that person who will be happy in every situation of the life, then this is the main practice mantra that you have to do. ठीक है? So let us all chant now. We'll chant 2 rounds together, everyone. Remember Krishna. Okay. And Sunday 10:30 as 10 o'clock as usual there will be Bhagavad Gita session. Mostly we'll start chapter 3, finish chapter 2 and start chapter 3 of Bhagavad Gita. And I request everyone to please take the quiz. मैं देखा कि अभी तक उन्होंने दीक्षा नहीं क्विज लिया है. Nobody else has taken the quiz so far. तो बहुत ही इजी है. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. जस्ट रीड 20 मिनट्स भी आप गीता पढ़ेंगे एवरी डे, राइट, यू विल गेट ऑल द आंसर्स फ्रॉम द क्विज. इनफैक्ट क्विज से क्वेश्चंस के बाजू में नंबर भी लिखा है, कौन सा श्लोका के परपोर्ट से उसका आंसर मिलेगा आपको. सो इजी वी हैव डन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. जस्ट स्पून फीडिंग. You just have to chew it now. अगर you don't have the strength to chew also, then you will surely die spiritually. ठीक है? Okay? So let us chant now, everyone. So I request everyone to unmute yourself, and we can chant 2 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra now. Yes?